Hello guys, so welcome back to the part 2 of secondary growth in dicot stem. Okay, so last class we were discussing that we were studying about the stellar growth. Last class in the sense the last video. So in that stellar, I told you what is the stele. So stele is pericycle, xylem, phloem, pith and pith race together is going to form the stele, and the outermost layer of the stele is the pericycle, and stele is surrounded by endodermis. Stele is surrounded by what? Endodermis. Now let us see further. Now I told you, if you see the structure of the transverse section of the stem, also dicot stem. Okay, I told you the important structures there. We will be studying about the important structures like the intrafascicular cambium and the interfascicular cambium, and together it has resulted in the formation of the vascular cambial ring. Okay, now let us see what exactly is happening during the secondary growth. Okay guys, now you see here during the secondary growth we have two kinds of cells. Okay, we have two kinds of cells in the secondary growth. So in the vascular cambium, in the vascular cambium, okay, how many kinds of rings are there? In the vascular cambium we will be having two kinds of rings. The first two kinds of cells are there. The first kind of cells are called as the fusiform initials. Okay, the first kind of cells are called as the fusiform initials, and the second kind of cells you can call them as the ray initials. Okay, fusiform initials and the ray initials. We have two kinds of cells. Now the number of fusiform initials is more in the vascular cambium than the number of the ray initials. Now first let us talk about what these fusiform initials are going to do. Now these fusiform initials, what they do is, these fusiform initials, they undergo, now let us assume that this is the vascular cambial ring. Okay, and here we are having fusiform initial cells here in this ring. Okay, so if a fusiform initial is going to show periclinal division, okay, so this is a periclinal division. So what is going to happen is, when periclinal division is taking place, this side one layer of cells are formed. Let us assume that cells are arranged like this. Okay, so this is one cell, this is another, this is the first cell, this is the second cell. So what is happening now? And outside, when a periclinal division is taking place, outside one cell is formed and inside second cell is formed. Similarly, this is the second cell outside portion and the second cell inside portion, correct? So when the fusiform initials are showing this periclinal division, okay, what is going to happen is a layer of cells are formed towards the outside. Okay, one layer of some layers of cells are cut off towards the outside, towards the periphery. We call it where? Towards the periphery. When I'm saying towards the periphery, it means it is towards the epidermis. It means it is towards what? It is towards the it is towards the epidermis. It is towards the epidermis. Okay, it is towards the epidermis.